So with this demo, I'm going to call it Sugar Rush, because some of my students call it Sugar Rush. So this is just plain sugar from Big Y, right? But again, in lab, we don't eat or drink anything, so we're not going to eat this. So it's just plain sugar, right? I'm going to do in the film hood because the air is kind of toxic, right? And we're going to use 18 molar sulfuric acid. Very, very strong acid. Okay? I'm doing everything in the film hood because even the odor, the vapor, it's all toxic. I put in about 50 mils or so of sulfuric acid. Right? So we got pure sugar, and sugar, if you look at the chemical formula, is C12H22O11 or sucrose. Right? So what this is going to do is, it's an anhydrous. It removes all the water, which is the hydrogen and the oxygen. So what's left will be, we'll find out in a minute. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put in the sulfuric acid in here. Again, if you have this stuff, do not try this at home. Okay, I'm just put it in, and I'm going to just stir it so that it mixes well. Okay? Stir it so it mixes well. Okay. Stir it so it mixes it very well. Okay? It's beginning to turn already. Okay? So this is sugar. Initially it was white powder, grainy powder. Now, after mixing sulfuric acid to it, okay, it's already changing color. Okay. You want to write the observation before the reaction. Now the reaction is going on. Right? And you want to write, draw or write, describe after the reaction. Right? Later on, you're going to do claim, evidence, and reasoning. Because it's an anhydrous, sulfuric acid is an anhydrous, you remove the hydrogen and the oxygen, which leave only carbon. So this is pure carbon. Every time you see the steam, you see a color change, it's a chemical reaction, right? And this is very hot. The smoke is part of the heat. I can feel the heat here. Okay? Just want to turn it a little bit so you see it better. Okay? The beak is very, very hot. So chemical reactions, when something heats up, you see smoke, you see bubbles, you see steam, okay? Do all that. And this is pure carbon. There's no hydrogen, there's no oxygen, it's still very hot, okay? And it's just kind of flaky, okay? All right, so we'll call this sugar high, sugar rush, all right? Write that down.